Nabil from Auto Repair Champs, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the CV axle on the passenger side. I haven't seen any posts or any information on this online. Most of the videos that I've seen was for the driver side. This is for the passenger side. I got a flat screwdriver and I got a hammer, and you need to separate this seal from the 4x4 unit. I just broke that screwdriver, which is fine. This is the only way to get the seal out, guys. It's pretty difficult to do. And that's how you get the seal out. Thanks for watching.